here I come. Oh, here I come.
Okay guys, so we just collected the car from AJ and we're doing our first test. We're actually sitting in traffic right now. So while we're dropping the car, actually I think it was about 2 days ago, we dropped the car. After that I got like a few messages already from you guys. This one guy filmed a little video. I'll pop it into this video. So he made a video of the Civic driving in front, right? And then Dane at the back with the STM behind us. So he was like, that's my new car, whatever. Even right now, short brother, even right now, like people are filming the car as I'm driving. It's insane. So I hope the secret gets kept until I eventually actually, showcase the car. So what AJ also said was, the car technically needs a tune. He says that once the tune is done, the car will be driving way more, will be way faster. He said currently it's running very rich, and this car is basically just eating fuel. That's what his exact words were. So I'm excited for that as well. And yeah, this will be an ongoing project. There's a few small nitty-gritty things that obviously need to be done, and that comes with a project car. And this is the reason why I pretty much bought this car, is so that I can showcase the faults on the car and the upgrades as well. So I'm not quite sure if you guys can pick up, but I'm fighting with the steering wheel. So another problem with this car is there's something wrong with the steering rack. Like it's like the steering rack is filled with glue or something. If I turn, like locks up.
All around me are familiar faces.
So we're not quite sure exactly what it is, but moving forward I'm most likely going to get a different steering rack. The plan is to eventually go power steering, but for now I'm either going to redo this one or replace it, as you can see here. So yeah, this is the number one thing I need to fix. Everything else is fixed. So yeah, I look forward to fixing that. But for now I struggle with the steering wheel. So I can't really do some rips. Driving to AJ didn't give us problem. And every morning if we start the car up, it doesn't really do this. But it's whenever the car gets hot. So yeah, it's definitely something I need to fix ASAP. I'm not gonna lie guys, it is actually very frustrating. Driving like this does suck. One thing I must say, all the faults that's on this car, this engine makes up for it all the time. Every pull I do, it's insane. And this is only pretty much the start. Like I said, the car still needs to be tuned. I was looking for the sun visor now. Yeah, that's just those sun visors.
Come on, man.
Okay guys, but safely at home. Let me just show you guys a few things that AJ did. Okay guys, so let's dive into everything that AJ did. Let's start on this side in actual fact. So he changed the belt. The belt that was on here was halfway basically, so he changed the belt for me as well. He actually recommended doing that, and obviously the rest of the other things he also just recommended, which I think is a very cool thing of him. I did tell him to, you know, give the car an overall checkup and see what else is needed, so he did that. I think he cleaned up the spoolies here as well, and then moving forward, obviously like I said, this is a stock EP3 throttle body, and then I think he also just added this braided lines over here and over here. I might just maybe run this wire over here, and obviously a big noticeable difference would be the cold air induction that runs in on that side. That obviously helps with cooling temp as well, and it also helps with fan in actual fact. So obviously the fan was kind of close here where the filter used to be, and then this is obviously the fan that he set up as well, and then obviously the fan runs on the Honda, switches on a certain time, etc. So here's a better look at the induction, or the cold air induction, I'd say. As you guys can see over here, you added this rubber here so that it doesn't damage from the body, and then also you added this bolt here and a little bracket here so that the thing is sturdy and it doesn't move anywhere. This is also the K-tune throttle body that was removed from the car. So to my understanding guys, if you do polish this up, it can still be used. As you guys can see, it's pretty dirty inside of here. So you guys can hit me up if you are interested in this K-tune original throttle body. I do still have the packaging or the boxes etc with it as well. And then another thing he fixed was this little hinge over here guys. So this had a little cut in it over here. As you can see over here, I think when it lays down it kind of hits. So he actually fixed this without me knowing, so thanks a lot AJ, I appreciate it. I was actually going to buy me a new one, but this one will last for now. And then having a further look here at the bottom, he did say that the racks definitely need to be replaced, so that is next on the list. We are looking into maybe doing the electronic power steering, and then let me just show you guys how the gauge works as well. Because obviously you set up the gauge with the fan, and then you guys can see it's working. So to my understanding, the fan will switch on when the car reaches a certain temp. Before this I was just running on the data on the phone, basically just running it over there and checking the temp, but now I don't really have to do that. We also set in traffic, so funny enough, when the car is cold, the car drives pretty much normal and there's no jerkiness in the steering wheel or anything like that. So I do think that the grease that is maybe in the steering rack has dried up, and I most likely need another steering rack, but that is something that I can supply and get as well, or source. So that is not a problem. It does suck that I have to, you know, kind of drive like that. What basically happens is I'm driving and then I'll pull the steering wheel one way, it was stuck like that. So imagine you accelerating and the wheel stuck to the one side. This car is wild and I knew that from the get-go. But yeah, moving forward, we'll be fixing all of that and you guys will be joining in as we fix everything on the car, and then we can street the car and take it to the track as well. AJ did say that in future he does plan on assisting me on the track. He did say that if I eventually do go on the track, I'm gonna just let him know, and then he will, you know, help me with the track, you know, show me the lines, etc. I do kind of know where the apexes and the lines is basically, but he will just help me and, you know, kind of assist me with, you know, anything mechanical that goes wrong, etc, etc. So I do want to end of this video by saying thanks a lot to AJ. He's been very helpful and I look forward to working with you in the future. So I will leave his information in the description if you guys need any assistance with your car. So yeah, I'm gonna end it off here. Hope you guys enjoy the video and hope you guys are excited as I am for the K20 Civic. So please do like and subscribe. Peace. So this is just going to be a quick unboxing video. What I have in front of me is a set of Honda EK LED headlights. So here we have a set of LED headlights for a Honda EK. This is for a new spec. I do have for old spec as well. And it also has these instructions and a few clips. This is what the rear section looks like as well. So I think that these lights looks actually very cool, and it will make your car look way more modern. So if you guys are interested in this headlights or any other parts, please let me know. I'll leave my information in the description, as well as a link to my catalog as well.
You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, also jail.